What's up? Finally, man. Holy. Oh my god. Literally just got back home. Let me share. Let me get that sorted out. Can y'all hear me? Is everything good? Y'all can hear me? So we're gonna go to the main. It should be here. Okay. What's up? Let me go to the Discord and like mention it really quickly. Let me put Discord here. Is everything good? Like the quality is good and stuff. By the way, I took this trade. But I got fucking break even, so this was the TP. I don't know if it will show the execution. I'll have to log into my trader base. Let me try to log into my trader base. Since we started this account together, so we're just gonna go ahead and show y'all where the account is at. Because we started it together, so we're just gonna go ahead and show the balance. So this is the break even I took. MGC, again, same shit. We got an MGC, boom. Break even and then TP. So I missed out on two. I was gonna take also CL shorts here, but I missed out on them, bro. Like today was like a fucking, yeah, it was an insane day. But unfortunately, I did not really get any trades. I'm still flat for the day. The account is down 40 bucks, by the way. For the day, it's still like -$4 just because of the two break evens. Yesterday we took an L, I guess. Yeah, yesterday. Yep, it was yesterday. Monday we took a W. So, yep. Let's see. But like overall, we're sitting at break even. So I gotta pass this account before this week ends. Let's see if we can manage to do that. So that was gonna be like a $175 trade. NQ was gonna be like 80 points to 160. So that's gonna be like at least like around 350 for the day. But anyways, let's see what 10 a.m. has to offer. Let's run up really quickly and yep. So let me just start this really quickly. Let me see everything's working good. The internet, not the internet. Let me do some background music because the volume is a little bit high. All right, that's good. What do you think about NQ, ES, and YM? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the analysis right now. So let's just get it started. Let me take off that PSP. This color is really ugly, so I'll have to change it later on. Anyways, so from the get-go, like literally, this is the current low of week. This is the current weekly low, current weekly high. So again, we're still sitting within that AQ. This gap is still like just causing price to kind of range. So ideally, again, once you see high taken out, retracement, high taken out, kind of like a deep retracement. So again, you gotta be a little bit cautious here. Ideally, I just want to like take longs into the high, like literally from the get-go. Where's the current low? The current low of day is this. There's no key level that was formed off of other than like if you try to force it, like this order block. Maybe on ES, we got the closure there. Let me go to ES. Maybe we got the closure on ES, so maybe you can frame like the low. And what do we have? Now we're forming that two-stage. We might have a two-stage. This seems like it's gonna close as an hourly PSP. So if this hourly closes bullish as a C2 and a PSP, I would ideally be looking to trade into this high, and I would be anticipating the SMT break. Because look at that, we did trade into the high, like we did trade into it, and we had like a second to drive into it, but like in Q, still haven't traded up into the high. So I would still be anticipating the SMT break, especially now that the stronger asset, if you really look, the stronger asset now is getting weaker, and the weaker asset is getting now stronger. So this is that strange switch that we want to see to kind of trade the SMT break. Ideally, it would have been ideal if we see this drive here. But I don't know, like nowadays, like price just kind of likes to fuck around. Like it gets so close to a low and then it just kind of pushes back lower. But again, if I want to trade into this high, what I trade into, if you really check this high, sweep that high, so I'll really just be willing to target this high if you guys know how I go about it. So that would be literally an ideal TP, and then with price just reverse. Literally kind of similar case of gold. If you really check gold, I did not really go for the high, but I just went for the gap. And yeah, we saw the price kind of retrace from the gap, so that's what I was aiming for. Anyways, so for the time being, since this 4-hour candle, the previous 4-hour candle is bearish, and now I want to take it to the upside, so I cannot really take like an M15 or 30 minutes, so I'll have to wait for like an hourly two-stage. So for NSCs, we'll have to wait for at least an hour, like at least that's the bare minimum. If you want to take longs, if you want to take shorts, then that's another story. So again, what we really want to see, if we want to take a long, again, either kind of price expands, leaves behind a gap, we have like SMT with the gap or in the gap, or we form a key level and then we take it out and then reverse. This is that kind of that similar case we have now. We trade above the high, reversed, but again, we fell into this place below the low. We have a one stage cracking correlation here. So that would be great to kind of have a second drive into the high. So yeah. Sorry. So I think now we might, like today, we might have a good trade here. YM, similar case, but again, I would ideally take NQ. Why? Because I still haven't really traded above the high. So ideally I want to take NQ since this high is still intact. We haven't really traded above the high, so yeah, I just want to trade into the high, anticipating the SMT break. So that's really what I would be anticipating for today. So we'll have to wait for an hour here, at least for an hour, or if I see some sort of cleaner, again, this is that NQ trade that I wanted to take, that I gotta break even on. So let me just take that off, or you know what, leave it on chart. So I will show you guys later on why I took that trade and my management and stuff like that. So if price expands, or if you form like a second stage here, then I will be willing to trade before the hourly candle closes. If not, then I'll just have to wait. Or if we confirm this ISD here, then we might have another story. And the good thing about NQ, like there are literally no gaps here to kind of hold the price. If you really check, ES has this gap here that is just kind of forming right now, so we might have like kind of push and then trade lower. Especially that we have this high of day from that 52 stage. Like if you really check, this is an 50 PSP. Look at that second stage, especially we traded above the high, doing that second drive into the high. So that's the 2 stage PSP. Like if you want to look at it from this bias, like we're just kind of formed. This is the high of day. Now we're forming a PSP. That one might continue lower. But again, I'm framing longs because this is the only area that we're gonna reverse from. If we see a failure to manipulate, then we're probably gonna deliver back to into like these lows here. So let's wait and see for the time being. The only level we can push higher from is this. So that's the whole idea for today. Again, this is a delayed protraction profile. If you really check, 1800 is here. We formed the high and then traded lower. So would that be the high of day to then deliver lower? Let's see. So we gotta wait here for a second. That's why I want to wait for the hourly to kind of confirm if this 10 a.m. is gonna form the low of day to then expand to the high, or we're gonna respect this order block here and then we'll start reversing and kind of push back into the current low of day. So it's a little bit tricky looking at the daily. There's no key level like we did trade into here. So we have this 2-stage PSP for the time being. Hourly, we have this changing state here. So gotta be a little bit cautious here. So let's just wait for hourly to close and then we can see what's up. So yeah, we gotta be a little bit patient here with indices. But seems like NQ might just push to the high without really giving us an entry. CL, if you really check, like just like a support resistance, bro. We've just literally been bouncing from these levels here. Again, why would I not take this level on this level? This is literally the way I TP, guys. Like, swap this level, swap this level. So I'm just gonna forward this level. No, I'm not really gonna go for the low. This was a clean trade that we can also cover later on. But like for the 90-minute, there's nothing really. Again, when you see like these deep retracements, look at that. So again, let's use some advanced premium discount. Take from high to the low. We're sitting within the EQ. Look at that. It's so close proximity to the high. So ideally, what we want to see is like this one to take out the high. This one's kind of retrace a little bit higher, or probably like maximum to have like some sort of SMT fail, which we do have already, and then push lower. I wouldn't really be willing to trade away from this high, especially with how close it is to that failure swing here. So, and again, we're still just bouncing off this ring. So again, we still gotta wait here. If we want to take ideally HO or RV, but seems like we're confirming the low of day, by the way. Look at that. This seems like the low of day, by the way. This to me is like the low of day. Look at that. 90-minute CISD here. 30-minute. Let me see the daily. Let me see what's going on with the daily. It's literally an inside bar on CL, so that's why we're kind of ranging for the whole day. We have this one stage here, but again, same. Like, look at these fair swings, bro. Like, what's going on with the markets? Alright, so we have this SMT here with HO. And again, this is kind of, again, that advanced, a little bit of advanced premium discount. Again, spaced out swing. And you see the mid asset is a little bit closer, and then like the strongest asset is just, like the weakest asset just took out a low already. Let me see the 6 hour. Still support. Literally, look at that. Q1, inside bar. Q2, literally an inside bar. Q3, literally almost an inside bar. Again, we traded below the low, but this is an inside bar to me. Like, it's not really the cleanest. So, but this 6 hour here looks clean for like your retracement. For like if it closes as C2, that would be really clean. We have the SMT, especially if it closes as a PSP. But again, it's a little bit late. It's a little bit late on the day. That would like 12, so we'll have to wait for like 2 hours for this one to close. That would be like an easy trade back into like the range. That would be like a clean to take the high to the low. If you do like, yeah, that would be clean to kind of trade back into the range like that. Two-stage PSP. This is the level that would cap off the retracement. Cap off the retracement and then probably like take this low out later on. Let me see where's that level. But look at CL, it already traded below the low. So are we gonna see the SMT break here? That's interesting. So such an interesting day, man. I missed out on this short, by the way. I did not take it. It was on M3. I missed out on this one, but I took the long. Where was the long I took? It was here. But I fucked up the management, so. Gold. Gold is looking good, but I didn't like the fact that we had like the invalidation level. We kind of pushed, so close to the high, and then retraced back. So far, we do have the two-stage, which is clean. Really good. Really good. Let me set M15. Let me set M3. Okay, I'm probably gonna just wait for an upper low and then a closure and then I'll take it. I like how it's forming, by the way. Give me a gap. Trade back into the gap. Confirming USAISD. That would be really clean. That would be really good. Or I can wait for a 30-minute candles close. We have a two-stage PSP here, so. If you really look at this, the PSP, and this is the second stage. 90 minute. 45. Yeah, we do have a two-stage here. That's beautiful. That's really good looking. So we'll have to wait for like 11 minutes here. That would be clean. That would be really good. I'll be really looking to take gold longs. But now, I'll be willing to take it to the high. Because this gap did its job. Kind of delivered price lower. Now we're just going to fill into this place below the low. I would anticipate this to be kind of fair swing. And we can just push here. So let's see. So I'm interested in gold longs. Let me see what's going on in his chat, buddy. Finally can wait. Yes. What do you think about NQ? We did that. There are sell setups forming for NQ. I'm preferring buys overall. But again, we'll have to wait for this one here. Let's see what this one decides to do. Like, now we're forming a gap. Are we going to respect the gap? But so far we don't have any cracking correlation here with YM. Let me check ES. Yeah, we don't have any cracks in correlation here, so there is nothing we can take. If like NQ trades above this high, then yeah, that would be like this SMT here. But for the time being, there's nothing we can trade, so just gotta wait here. So I'm preferring gold overall. I would like to take gold longs. But look at that again. Similar case. Take out a low. Just retrace back into the range. This place below fail into this place. Trade back into the range. Like, the markets nowadays are not the cleanest, so you gotta be a little bit cautious there. So, can you please show all the indicators you are using? I got a bunch. Like each tab, I got a bunch. Wait, there's one. I got 8 high time frame candles. Watermark is just for watermark, each session range, TTFM, IC charts for high time frame candles, and TLM high time frame candles. I like this one overall. I saw Trader Kane in one of his live streams use this one, and then I just liked it more than ICT candles. So, but like this one for the PSPs, and these are just like for the high time frame candles. Okay, let me check out M5. What's up, Robson? What's up? How you doing, my brother? It's been a minute. Gold long thoughts? Yep. I'm interested in longs, man. Let me tag everyone. Add everybody. Add everyone. Live. Join. Alright. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. We got 25 viewers here, 8 likes. Let me check. I think T-Trace got a live stream today, right? I think T-Trace has a live stream today. Let me check. He doesn't? Ah, he does. Alright, he does. T-Trace. Let me see what T-Trace is up to. Oh, I like his keyboard, bro. His keyboard is good. New videos. Let me see the new videos he will do. What just happened? Previously taken prior to NY, when to trade, micros, troll. Points of interest, preference, when not to trade, anticipate consolidation. What time frames to trade depending on sessions, when to trade Asia, how to manage winning trade, trail and stop. Nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and steal his ideas. Let me do it like. He deserves a like. Alright, let's continue. Okay. So far trading away, kind of respecting the gap. That's good. That's good. Alright, so we're just breaking out. That's good. Let me see what's going on right there. Oh bro, that's PSP, bro. The color that I choose, man, it's just super ugly. Let me change this shit. Let me do a gray. Alright, we're gonna go with like light gray here. Not the best too. No, take it out. I don't need it right now anyways. Alright. Look at the 6 hour. It's closing bullish, that's good. 4 hour. Hourly. Do I have a Tuesday here? Not really. 3 minute. Alright, we're about to get like the 90-minute candle closer. Okay, that's good. Oh no, so it's cheesy. Oh my god. So we're just gonna go ahead and set an alert here. Let's see. I like this opposing candle now. I like bulky candles. So you can at least go for a higher, like go for this high. Go for this high. And the reason for that trade, I think it's obvious just from the lines that I have on the charts. I think it's easy to spot the strength switch, the CISD. That's really it. Boom. Take it back to the either this low or EQ the range or whatever. Yep. Oh, this is already a C2. Damn. We do have like this 2-stage PSP here. But bro, like it's just too low on the leg. Let me see 10 AM. Was there like a trade we could have taken here? No. No, I wouldn't really be able to take this one. Especially that it kind of reacted off of nothing. M5. Is there like a clean gap? There is a clean gap. But still. Oh, gold is just dumping, my brother. 15 minute. Now we do have this SMG here. Is this a failure to manipulate? Seems like we might be having a failure to manipulate here. It's gonna deliver lower. Daily. This is the weaker asset. So we do have like overall like some sort of strength switch here. This one is the weaker overall. Now it's pushing price higher. Oh, look at that. Damn. Just kind of flipped in a sec. Nice. Gold. Ooh. Sexy. That'll be like a $135 risk for. Might just take it to the high for like 2 hours. Let's see. I like also silver, but I think the account cannot handle silver really. Let me check silver. If I want to take silver. Silver looks a lot cleaner like that. The move is just clean expansion, clean retracement, clean fair swings, clean fair swings. So let me see if I want to take this trade here. Stop at the low. Probably not TP here, probably like TP here. Let me see. I want to take that. 370. No. I'll have like another shot. Because I have like just a 1k drawdown. No, I have just like $900. So. Yep. I'll just go with gold. Yes. Let me open MGC here. Thank you. Let me play some music. Let me see. 30 minutes. It's about to close. I'm actually interested in like a second stage. That would be really good. Like to trade NQ like this. That would be beautiful. Like a second stage here. That would be beautiful to kind of deliver to the high. I would be really interested in taking this one. Are you trading on a laptop or PC? Laptop. All right. Let me see the M5. I got you in my sleep. Ah. Look at that. Let's look at the 1 minute. Look. I got taken out like 5.6 here. I got taken out here and then. But look, bro, I survived. Like this is the problem with me. Like initially, I'm so patient with my losses. Like look how close it was to taking me out. Like I was like, I'm gonna get taken out, and then I survived. And instead of just accepting the risk, it's like, okay, I survived like with $2 to gonna get taken out. Then yeah, I fucked it up. that was not the best move. That was not the best move. All right, so I got a minute for the candle to close. I might just go with like this retest here. I might go with 2 contracts here, not gonna lie. $600? $200 of risk. So if I lose this one, I still have like $700 of drawdown. I might risk it for the biscuit. But let's see if we get the 3 minute also closing there. I'll take like 2 contracts. Let's see. Because like overall the entry looks a lot cleaner than the M5. I have a clean level. Let's see. So I got 14 seconds. Okay, I think we're just gonna close there. Oh my god, bro, they're limiting me to 1 contract. Fuck's sake. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Now I got you in my sleep. Come on, you just gotta retrace a little bit. You know what? Just go for 2R, like literally 2R there. Let me see where we can get 2R. Put this one higher. Put this one here, and TP should be at the high. So 2R is just here. Okay, I'm in. Okay, that's 2R. Put my sell stop here. Put my sell limit here. And let's see if we're gonna get taken out. Okay. Unfortunately, I cannot take 2 contracts. I might still retrace, by the way, we're forming a gap. So I might still form the gap and then retrace and then go up. So I'm gonna be ready to handle more drawdown. Let's see. Summer. When my heart beats out within a moon. Let's see. We're either gonna blow this account on live stream, on air, or we're gonna pass it live. Let's see. So let's see. This is the current balance. Minus 14, minus 26. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me set M5. Okay, we're just on an M5 order block. If I had like a second entry, if I could have taken other contracts, I would have taken it right now. Literally right now. So I have to get the average fill somewhere near. But let's see. I'm not gonna get smart just like yesterday. Let's see. And this one, please guys, since you guys are on stream, you should hold me accountable. This should either be, let me check it 30 minutes. This high is like fucking interesting, not gonna lie. This looks a little bit troublesome. But keep me accountable. I should not manage the trade until we have a clean either invalidation level or we can trade above this high. Please keep me accountable because sometimes I do fuck up the management. You act. Enemies gone now. And we could be together, baby. As long as lights are blue. You act so innocent. Oh, I forgot. I synced the microphone shit. When I hit. Let me see. Where's Silver? Oh my god, bro. Silver is so fucking good. Holy shit. If just the account can handle Silver, man. It's so good, bro. Oh my god. This is really good. This is a really good looking PA. Expansion? Cleaner tracement? Expansion? Oh my. Alright, so I'm setting an alert here. Also, like if Silver kind of pushes to the high, we'll have to manage it. Why? Because look at Silver. Look at Gold. Can anybody tell me why? I'll have to manage when Silver kind of takes out a high. I think it's obvious here. So. Brosky, can you do a top-down again review of your trade? Yeah, for sure, Marty. For sure. So far, looking at a 4 hour. We're sitting within a key level, just shaded below a relevant swing. Looking at a 4 hour, shaded below this low, we're having a C2. Again, this one kind of shaded above. If freelance is placed below her, we're sitting within a gap. We have this SMT here. Forming this second stage here. If we look at Silver, shaded below the low. Gold is pushing a little bit higher. It's forming that. Forming the SMT. Again, you just gotta frame a new swing. 30 minutes, we're opening up with a C2. So that's really it. The SMT, the new swing. I don't really need the two-stage cracking correlation here. Even though I think we do have one. Let me check the PSPs. I don't think we do have a two-stage cracking correlation here. On M15, I think we do. Was it on M15? Let me check. Silver? Not really. But just again, just framing the 4 hour C2. And again, this SMT here, that's really it. 4 hour C2. Low of day. Daily open. We expanded. We're forming a gap. This is the only continuation level. This is the only level we can continue from. C2. This is a PSP. This is the second stage. Yep. This is a PSP. The 4 hour is a 4 PSP. It was the 4 hour. So now we do have a 4 hour 2-stage PSP. Again, and now I don't need to take a 2-stage PSP. Why? I don't need a 2-stage PSP. Why? Because I'm trading in line with the daily. I'm not trying to catch a reversal. I'm just trying to take the continuation. So even if this 4 hour PSP, this 4 hour is not a PSP, I don't care. I just need the SMT. I just need a 1-stage crack. So the 30 minute, we get 30-minute candles. So, yep, we should continue there. If this idea fails, then yeah, literally we had everything we need. It's just one of them days where you're taking L, and it's just the probability is not on your side. So let's see. Alright, so if we do retrace back, if we do form like a retracement, like a cleaner retracement, a deep retracement, then a CSD, I will turn my stop to whatever that low is. Just like here. This is what I should have fucking done. Clean retracement back into the level, CSD, move stop here, and then you get TP. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Hi, Moroccan Chinese. What's up? Meow, meow. Meow. And don't forget to thumbs up, guys. We got 32 viewers here, only 13 likes. Come on, we need more likes for this straight to a TP. RB. Let me set hourly. Well, I might see some sort of SMT break here. Oh, bro, I was just talking about it. Come on, chill. I wanna take that trade. Wait, chill. If I get a 1-stage cracking correlation, I will take it at a high. Why? If you really check, this high has just been disrespected, bro. Like, price didn't really give a shit about it. So this is that same high there. We got a gap there. So what do we need? This one is stronger. We need it to be weaker. Each auto kind of catch up. We have like a higher high. This one is kind of forming that 1-stage crack, and then we can take it back to the upside. So hopefully RB takes out a low, and then this one kind of keep it intact. Or we form a new swing gear. I will be taking it for a high. So this is another idea that I will be looking to take. That's beautiful. Come on, retrace, please. Quickly, do it quickly, man, because I want to trail my stop. We got more views, so I think T-Trace finished his live stream. Let me check. Let me check. I gotta make sure that T-Trace has finished his live stream or not. Because we're getting more views. Oh, T-Trace is still on. Oh, wow. Interesting. Okay. Let me see. Had the same idea. I thought gonna get some more sauce out of it. Love to say it's simple. Yeah, bro. This you gotta keep it simple. If you are comfortable to answer, from how many years? I've been trading for 5.5 years. In August this year, it'll be 6 years. I got a master's degree, master's degree in trading. Shit. Yeah. But I always said like a lot of years, man. I said a lot of years. Where's the lyrics? What the fuck? There's no lyrics. Shit. This like seems, bro. I really want to take this. Not gonna lie, bro. I really want to take this one. This shit is too good. Fuck's sake. How much am I gonna be risking? 240, bro. But it's the same position. That's the thing. So just gotta wait. I really want to see if this one's gonna play out or not. Just. By the way, this is just pure lower time frame PA. And just when you get these clean expansions, bro, you just anticipate the gaps to hold. Like literally nothing else. You just say clean lower time frame PA. And again, it's just that SMT and stuff like that. So, but again, since this one traded below the low, I will have to wait for an hourly swing here, by the way. Because this one is already aligned, so I don't have to wait for an hourly swing. I'll just take 30 minutes. But let's see if it's going to play out or not. But I'll have to squeeze it for 2R. It'll be somewhere in here. Oh, no, let me see. The high is there, so I'm going to enter like somewhere in here. That would be like my entry here. To get like 2R. I'll probably just put my stop here at the body. Even though like it's ideal to put it here. Well, like it's gonna be huge. Well, let's see. Let's give it a try. Let's see. Five more hours and we just can't start. Don't wanna hear you, don't want you in my mind. Don't want you. I highly advise this one. It's really good. When I saw got me questioning the things that I believe. So do I keep you as my friend? Come on, gold. Come on. Like, form a clean level to kind of have a new validation level for. So I'm just gonna keep it this way so you guys can see it straight away. It's not a for people that just joined. Let's see. Did you go to China to study master or only language? I did my bachelor's degree here. I did my software engineering bachelor's degree here. And now I'm doing a 1-year language course. I just took the same. Perfect. Well, make sure to journal it and take a lesson from it. So when you got the account ready, you'll be ready too, my brother. Najib. Nah, this street, bro, is so clean. This one is super sexy. I finally found. Let me see if we can take another trade, bro. Let me see. We gotta build the account quickly. Either we're gonna blow it or we're gonna pass it quickly. We gotta pass this shit quick. Let me see what's going on with InQ. What's going on with InQ here? Nothing. Nothing. No, I didn't see it. Let me do. Oh, massive for sure, for sure. Bro, we need Iceman. We need Iceman as soon as possible, man. We need Iceman. Iceman, baby. Let me check the comments. How many years are you in China? 3 years, 4 years. But the problem is, not the problem is why? Because due to COVID, we had to stay, and we studied online. We studied online for 2 years, and then the borders opened, I think by 2023 March. So literally this month, no, May 2023. So in May it'll be 3 years. So we studied 2 years online, and then the rest we came here and we studied them. Thought trading view on trading in general. That's why I use VPN, my brother. I'm using a VPN right now. That's why the internet sometimes is shit. That's why sometimes the stream is lagging and stuff because of the VPN. When you're ready, you can put us behind us. Put us behind us. Cause I don't wanna go. So university in China is only 3 years. No, it's 4 years, bro. We studied 2 years online and 2 years here. And then this current year, I'm doing a 1-year language course. So yeah, Allah'ım ya Rabbim. Çok güzel. Some Turkish words I can speak. I know. Hayır, evet. I just learned them from bro that anyways. Let's see. 100. Bro, I've been to Istanbul, by the way. It's oh my god, bro. It's beautiful. I went to Taksim. I went to, what is it called? But I stayed there for 3 days. It's such a good place, man. I've been to Turkey once, and I really want to go back again. Borada bin Baska Turk Olaş Genib. Oh shit. Find us again. I don't know. Oh my god, look at silver, bro. Literally, that's beautiful. This is beautiful, bro. This is pure beauty. Why? Because it's allowing gold to push higher. So, by the time this one kind of takes out the high, gold would be here. Let's go. Come on, gold. Come on. That's how I treat people. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna. I really wanna share the music with y'all, but bro, the copyright is it's just around. It's just at the door. So yeah. And come on, we got 47 viewers on only 16 likes. Come on, man. Come on, bro. If you haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and do so. That would really help the channel grow, and also, you know, it gives me motivation to keep coming every day, coming out, like showing up and stuff, you know. So hit the thumbs up, give it a like, man. Let's see if we can take like 30 likes. All right, that's good. So either again, if we I don't know, bro, if I want to trail my stop now or not, because like I think I'm almost up 1 hour here. So let me just do this because it will fuck up the stop limit. I think I'm up 1 hour. Do I want to lose the 1 hour? Do you think he will push back or trace? What do you guys think? We move stops to break even here, or we wait? I don't know, bro. I'm just like, it might just do this, or it might just do this, because there's nothing really here. No level to reverse off of other than like this one. Like again, it's kind of like a lower time frame sweep level. So let's see. Let's see if Suffer is gonna push that high again. Let's see. Told you not to worry. Baby, that's a lie. Heard you not to worry. What's that song called? I think Idomiro. Idomiro? Told you not to worry. Told you not. Yeah, but maybe that's yeah, that's the one. Shit. That's good. Where did you go? Okay, so I think the minutes one is gonna push higher. I think I'll move the stops to break even. Come on, Silver. Please, can you go? Okay. One more tick. Okay. Alright. Too close. Where did you go? I should know. I should know. Bro, if I just got in with 2 contracts here, it would be like 250 now. Shit. Why they don't like my funded futures sometimes it's just, oh, we wanna what's the word? I forgot the word. I actually forgot the word that they say. Oh, we wanna keep the traders safe. Bro, give me my 2 contracts. I don't wanna be safe. You're just literally just limiting me to not make money to take them out. And you're telling me, oh, we're helping the trade, like it's for your own benefit. No, bro, my own benefit is to give them like unlimited contracts. Let me fuck up the account. that's the whole purpose, like trading prop firms. Like your whole business, like for me to blow the account. So let me blow it. Give me 5 contracts, bro. Let me go with 5 contracts. No, just don't think about me. Thank you for wanting me to be safe, but just let me go with 5 contracts. It's none of your business. But now it's just, oh, for your own safety, you go with 1 contract because of the volatility. Oh man. Like this. I like the stream, guys. Are all black. Oh shit. Where did you go? I should know. Any random ass tip? I don't know, bro. If I want to take a trade, go with like double the risks too, so you can make double the money. That's it. That's my best advice. Come on, gold. Oh fuck's sake, bro. Silver is took out a high. Fuck's sake, man. Oh shit, we'll have to close that shit here. Because the weaker is getting that same, like, because why? Why am I closing it, by the way? Because the weaker asset is getting that same high first. And this is a fucking strength switch. But hopefully, bro. Hopefully that shit just reverses. Yeah, just look at that. The weaker is getting that same high. Look at that high, it's that high. And the stronger should fucking go to that high first. But fuck's sake. Anyways, we're up some for a day. That's good. Like 160. Okay, the account is up again. Let's see. We're gonna take another shade here for sure. I'm really excited to trade, bro. I really want to trade for a day. I'll either fucking pass the account now or blow it. Fuck the consistency rule. Sorry for saying too many bad words, man. Let me see. Are you on? Yep, I'm on 25k, bro. Because I fucking blow my funded accounts, man. So I said, like, let me bring back the confidence and take 25k. I only have one now, literally. I only have this one. I made like a dumb mistake and I blow all my accounts at once. Thank God I got a payout beforehand, so. Let me call a friend of mine, by the way. Wait. I gotta call a friend of mine. Let me see if he's up to join. He literally just, I think he's, he requested a payout less yesterday or stuff. Let me give him a call, see. Oh, I just gave him a call, but unfortunately, he won't be able to hop on. So, Lovers of what year is this? I think this. Let me guess. 2013. I think 2013. I guess. 2014. Shit. Look at that, bro. By the way, look. Oh my god. Let me see how much. 400. Shit. Silver. Like this was super clean, by the way. Like this is like super sexy. Like literally no drawdown. Some drawdown, but like, yeah, it was super clean. It was super beautiful. It was really good. These are the kind of traits. Like sometimes just look at the lower time frame PN, just like, oh, this shit is too clean. Like you don't have to kind of look at the high time frame PN. SMT. High intact, literally that's it. Expansion, clean gap, take the gap. That's it, bro. You don't have to overdo. Bintuk digilim, Turkey the orgimin gorin. First off the sun. 30 minutes. Let me see. Let's see if we can take a trade here. We're having the PSP. Okay. All right. Again, what do we need now? I don't think we're gonna get what I want. I don't think we're gonna get it because this one is bearish, so we're gonna form a second stage here. Most likely this one is gonna take out a low, but I want this one to kind of form that higher high to catch up to that same high. Let's let know and never know. Okay, that was a good exit, by the way. That was a good exit. Even though like it's not too R, but sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Okay, got it. Where are you from, bro? Oh, let me translate what you guys are talking about. Holy, it's just Turkish here. Turkish to English. Let me see. Weber. I'm not Turkish. I'm a foreign student studying in Turkey. Oh, okay. But how do you speak Turkish? You learned it? Nice. You learned Turkish? Where are you from? Where are you from, hermano? Ghost 4487. Oh, got it. Where are you from, bro? So, Emirhan, are you from Turkey? No, that's not good. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I like this one. Nice. I like the vibe. Just from the first 5 seconds, bro. That shit is good. Baska Turkish konos gonna put him in. Oh my god, bro. I don't know why, but I think this is it. SK Trader. I don't know, but I don't feel like he's Turkish. Why? Because of the letters. Look at the letters here. Like look at the letters here. You guys have dots and stuff like above, but this guy I haven't used none of the dots, so I think he's just translating. I don't know if my guess is correct or not. Look at that. There are no dots. It's really rare where you guys put a whole phrase without like having these dots over. I don't know. Let me see if my guess is correct or not. Best cut Turkish. But again, maybe translator's supposed to put him. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe just like wanna write fast. Let me translate. Let me see what he said. Maybe that This is it all. I'm here speaking Turkish, but I'm. Oh, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Look at that. I'm here speaking Turkish, but I'm not Turkish. I swear to God, I knew it. Let's go. Canada. Canadalıyım. I'm Canadian. But why? Okay. Bro, soon this whole chat is gonna be on Turkish. Allah'ım yarabbim. Allah'ım yarabbim. Give me 1 sec. Guys, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Literally in 5 minutes. I got something urgent to. I have a call. 5 minutes and I'll be back, okay? right, what what just happened here? Oh my god, look at that, bro. That shit, oh my god, man. The charts speak for themselves. Let's go. Let's go. Good exit. 25 viewers, 25 likes. We got a draw here. All right. Let me see what's going on with the chat. Which city are you studying in? How did you learn Turkish, bro? In Moscow City. I spent 3 years in Izmir and Istanbul. Were you a student? Nice, man. I used to work there. Nice. Okay. Okay, let me see what's going on here. All right, we do have it. Oh, bro, these first ones. I'm not really gonna trade away from them. To be honest, now in my brain, I'm just like, oh, I should have taken this one. It could have been like a $450 win. To be honest, yeah, I'm just like, oh, I should have taken this one. But anyways, I should have waited for like an hourly swing here. Because the 4 hour, it's up to 4 hour here, so yeah. 15. Alright. I'm not sure if we'll have another trade here or not. Let me see NQ. Look at NQ, bro. No established IFD. Provide support direction. Key level. We got 1 hour here. Let me see what NQ is doing. Okay. Seems like that invalidation level is really the invalidation level. PSP. 30 minutes. What a minute. I think I lost my conscience on your front doorstairs. Just a bit bear with my voice. Let me see. I actually like this. Oh, bro, but a bunch of fairy swings. I'm not really to stage here. Let me see HO. Oh, this is HO. Oh my god, bro. Let me see CL. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let me see. I think I might take this one here. But again, it's like so high up in the range, man. Like so up in the lit, so high up in the lit. It's like 2R there for the SMG. No. I should be taking HO for the SMG break. That's good. Alright. I'll be taking HO here. Trade 8. Connect. I gotta plug it back in. 1 sec. 1 sec. We gotta go to starting soon. Let me do the login really quickly. Let me get my credentials here really quickly, and then we can just log into TraderVate and we'll continue trading, man. Oh my god. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Wait a minute. Can you guys hear me now? Fuck's sake. What did I do by mistake, man? Oh my god. Alright, can you guys hear me now? Alright, can you guys hear me now? No? Shit, bro. Can you guys hear me now? For fuck's sake, bro. I closed the VPN at the wrong time, man. Really bad timing, man. Really bad. Really, really bad timing, bro. Look at that shit. Literally, the minute I said about CL, that shit just fucking flew. Look at HO, bro. Let's look at HO going for the SMT break. Let's just watch it without being in it. And literally, the minute I want to execute, I just log out of VPN by mistake. The beauty of life. That's the beauty of life. So, I think I might just have to call it all day now. At this point, might just call it a day, man. Like, yeah, the idea that I was waiting on for my break, my I'm logged out of TraderVate and my VPN is not there, so lucky. But it's okay. We're still up for the day, by the way. We're still up. Let me see. No, I'm not logged in TraderVate. Let me check. TraderVate. Come on, bro. Come on. I don't know what's wrong with this. Anyways, we might just have to call it a day here, guys. We might just have to call it a day. And yeah, except the fact that I missed out on this trade, which it was really clean in my opinion. I think it was super beautiful, super clean. Yeah, even though like I actually wanted each O to go higher, but look at that risk. Look how much I would be risking. Like it would be like 1k, at least 1k risk there. So yeah. NCs, there's nothing really we could have done with NCs. Like there's nothing really we could have taken. Like even with this PSP, like the only idea, like maybe this 3 minute here, but there's no Kraken correlation other than the PSP itself. So overall, it's not the cleanest. Overall, maybe like if you want to really kind of like force it, if you really check, we shade it back into like the upper half of this wick, while this one I haven't really kind of traced back. So overall, like this one is going from weaker, it's still weaker. This one is weaker, but it got stronger here. This one is stronger, it got weaker here with the PSP itself. Then like that's the only way you can frame like a trade idea out of this. And you could take like this. I don't know if we got this changing state here. Not really. So maybe you could have taken it on NQ, but like it's super high in the leg. Like I wouldn't really be willing to short from here. I would not really. Look at these fire swings. So the cleanest idea was this, and also like this GC and silver long. This was been like the cleanest. This quick in and out. Like get in here, get out here. Get in here, get out here. That's what we did. We got in here, we got out here. That was a clean trade too. So yeah, due to the fact that the internet is not working, look at this. I don't know why. Like once I logged out of VPN, it's like started dropping too much. So we just have to call it a day there. I just go ahead and call it a day, boys. I'll wait for like 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Can you guys hear me, by the way? Is everything good? Is everything good with the stream? If everything is good with the stream, we can continue. If not, then we'll just have to call it a day here. So let me know. Yes, that means the stream is good. No, the stream is not good. That way, like even if we say something or stuff, like you guys would also hear me, so you guys also can benefit. So can you guys hear me clearly? If you guys can, let me know. Yes, all good. Okay. All good. Okay. Even though like there's a bit of delay because I said it like a minute ago, but again, still. Okay, we can continue. We can continue for like for a bit here. Okay, let's see what's up. But I don't think we're gonna trade here for today. Yeah, I think the session is over already. We're up like 160 for the day. It's better than nothing. So, yep. We still got 2 days for this week, Thursday and Friday. Hopefully I can We can make some more money tomorrow. Like we can make like a relatively good amount. Like maybe $500-600 tomorrow, and then by Friday might risk a little bit more to gain like the 750, because I'm still around 1400 away from TP, which is like almost the full 3%. So I need to get it out of the way. I need to pass the account by Friday. If not, then we're just gonna have to go with Monday again. Yep. But again, like with like taking like these entries here, this is what really would make me like risk more for a day. Like again, you take like a small win here, like a $160 win, so you'd be up like 160 for the day. The drawdown hasn't moved yet, so now not only you have the 160, for example, you have the 1K buffer now, right? You have the $1,000 buffer. Now you just have 1160 because the drawdown hasn't moved yet. So you'll be able, for example, the max drawdown you want to get back to is like 900. So now you can risk the 100 plus the 160. So you can risk the next trade with like 260. So you're literally risking double. And if you take an L, you just get back to minus 100. So that's the beauty of like taking these trades here. That's why nowadays like I try to trade to 6 a.m. so I can go like with a higher risk on 10 a.m. That's how I go about it. Like try to catch like $100 or like 150 within like the range of like 2 to 6 or like 2 to 8, and then get back on 10 a.m. and try to risk like 250 for the trade. If I lose it, then I'm just down $100 for the day, which is good. And the next day I'll do the same. I'll try to take a trade. When I'm going for 150, I'm just like risking 60 or $70. For example, this trade, we got 31 points. Each point is like $2, so I'll be risking $60 for 80 points, which is like 160. So that would allow me to kind of have a lot more risk for the day to take. And then if you risk 250, for example, that trade, as you guys saw, I wanted to take 2 contracts on GC, but for fuck's sake, they could not allow me. So yeah, then you take like 250, you go in and you get like $500. So now you're up 160 plus 500. So now you're up $660 for the day. And it's almost near that 750, which is the 50% consistency rule. So the next day, go in again and you do it, and probably you'll have to go for like again another 6 a.m. small trade, like 100 or $200, and you plus the account. So that's like my new management to go for it. Take a small W, then take a bigger, because 250. If you're risking 250, that's like the 25% of the overall drawdown. So literally you got full L's. So I wouldn't really go like directly with 250. I have to build like a minor buffer, and then that would be good. So that's a new management that I tried to come up with. So I hope you guys do the same. If it makes sense to you guys. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But for the time being, I think my bed looks a lot sexier than this chart, so I'm gonna just go ahead and sleep. That's AEW, which is good. And I hope you guys learned something. Tomorrow, see you guys again, because look at that. The VPN is not doing me good, so might just call it a day right there. And yeah, not force any trades. Maybe if I manage to stay awake, I might trade again. I don't know. Because I'm up 160 for the day, so I might just do the same again. 160 for the day. Now I'm allowed to risk $160 for the next trade. And if I lose it, that will be break even for the day. But if I win it, I'll be up like $500 or $600 for a day. So if I end up like seeing something really beautiful, I might just share it with Discord, or who knows, I might run another live stream, who knows. So we'll see. If not, if there's no live stream, no chat on Discord, then yeah, I'm probably asleep. So see you guys. Take care. If I do end up taking an L, of course I will share it. So as you guys saw, oh, by the way, one sec. Let me log into my Trader Bait. Not like it really. I don't know why it's unauthorized, so we'll have probably to close this. Close this. Close this. And this again. Look at the trading view, bro. Trading view is failing to load. Oh my god. I want to share the whole executions for the day, but yeah. We got Break even on GC, break even on NQ, and W on NQ. That's it. Oh, W on GC. So that's really it, guys. I hope you guys learned something. Take care. Trader. Okay. Trading view is logging up. Let me see if we can log into Trader Bit really quickly here. Please. Please. It's not. Anyways, it doesn't want to load up. So you guys take care. See you tomorrow. It's IGN. Estas noches.